Now. You don't call me HM. You make me feel like 1,000 years already, like the dinosaurs.
Okay, baby.
Yeah, you call me the other one.
Charlie.
That one. Yeah, you see, you remember when I was doing for you favors in the school when you're still studying? I even made you a head girl when the older students have chosen another girl.
Now it's my turn to pay you.
That is a very good point. You have been waiting patiently for 2 years. You know, like a wall of things, some little rabbit. I've got a place there in this hotel. This one, the Serena.
Serena?
I've got a place.
We are going to Serena? Oh my god, it's going to Serena. Action! I can't believe, oh my god.
I'm also happy because I'm going to get everything. You see, in Serena, there are no rumamongers. These guys who peep at you, peep at people like this, they are not there. Even the guys who peep at you, they are the rich guys. They don't have rumamongers. Karimu, Ichirumira, those ones.
I'm going to meet all those rich people.
You will see them. Now, I was planning to pick you up somehow very early, like at 5.
Okay, from my place.
Yes, from your place. Okay. There in those small houses. Meanwhile, before 5, I want to give you something to keep you in those hours. Okay. You eat all the keeps you want.
Thank you
so that you get the energy. Okay, you take everything.
Thank you so much. Now we are good to go.
Okay.
Let me just go home.
In fact, you should.
I have this old man on my neck. God, what am I going to do? The guy is too old. He's old enough to be my father. Oh God. Fine, he's taken me through university. He's given me so many good things. He's renting me this place. I'm living a good life because of him. Fine, but I can't give myself to him. The guy is too old. Yes. I got an idea. Yes. If it worked for Hannah, it has to work for me. Who is it?
It is me.
Okay, I'm coming. Hello. You're here.
Thank you.
This is my hammer place. Do you like it?
You know, every day stuff outside. This place really looks good.
Make yourself at home.
This is the bed we bought.
Yeah.
You know how to take care of things.
Oh, thank you. Do you like it?
I like it very much. Before you say anything, get it.
For me? Oh my god! Oh my god! Thank you so much.
You say I know you have a gadgetary fetish.
Yeah.
Okay, now you are ready. We can go.
No.
I know, but you don't worry.
Wait.
Even if you are dressed like that, we can go. I told you that they are not rumamongers. And besides, you have the subject matter, the most important things. We just go.
I was just thinking.
That we go by border.
We make ourselves comfortable right here. On my bed. Let's stay here.
No, but I have paid for Serena already.
I know, but I'm going to
I have paid for that room 600,000.
I'm going to make it worth your while. I mean, look at all this.
Hey, now you see, she's morale boosting me. It's a good thing, is it?
We don't have to waste any time.
You're morale boosting me now to stay here. There are no rumamongers to people at us.
Trust me.
They might say, hey, the master.
HM, just relax.
It is okay.
You just get this off.
You look at this. Okay, in fact, that makes me more happier. You have saved a lot of time because we are going to drive in traffic jam. Like this passing border guys.
Relax. Whoa. Wow.
You're scared. I look like a chimpanzee.
Wow.
You don't worry. Other places are more impressive. In fact, this one also should go.
Close your eyes.
Ah, she's shy. Let me eat this one like a peanut.
You like my bed?
Yeah, very comfortable.
You comfy?
I'm sure it won't complain at all.
Okay. I'm good to go. But let's help me, sweetie. I'll help you put this right there.
What? You're like
My leg just.